Good morning. So the other part of today is going to be looking at functions. So we went over this a long time ago. A function is a function if my x value does not go to two y values. So my x is the person, if we remember, and my y is the place. So in number one, it asks me, use a mapping diagram to show a relation that is not a function. So I want something that has an x value that is going to two different places at once. Can one person be in two places at once? No. So Miss Hood made number one. She just said 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. It is not a function because number one is trying to be in number one and number two at the same time, as well as number three trying to be in number four and number three at the same time. Good. And then number two, I think you can figure it out. X values, domain or range. It's the domain. Good. And then express each relation as a table, as a graph, and as a mapping diagram. So I'm going to go over number three, and then I'm going to have you go ahead and do the rest on your own. Number three says 1, 1, and 1, 2. So I set up my my coordinate plane, pardon me, and I'm going to be at 1, 1, x value of 1, y value of 1. And I'm also going to be at 1, 2, an x value of 1, and a y value of 2. So this is what this looks like right here as a graph. Then I move on. I want to make it a table. So I'm going to have my x and my y, or my input and my output. My x is 1, and it is 1 for the first point. And my x is 1 and my y is 2 for the second point. And then the mapping diagram looks a lot like the table. My x value is 1. And my y value is 1 and 2. And it goes to both places at once. This one is not a function. It does not pass my vertical line test. It also does not pass the mapping diagram. One person is trying to be in two places at once. Awesome. Go ahead and try the rest on your own.